start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you have an unused corner of your yard or a flat patch of grass that feels completely uninspired, you are in for a treat today. In this video, we are diving into the most creative and stylish ground-level deck ideas that can instantly elevate your home's exterior. Ground-level decks are taking the home improvement world by storm because they offer a seamless bridge between your house and your lawn without breaking the bank. Stick around until the very end as we share the top design tricks to make a low-profile deck look like $1,000,000. A ground-level deck, often called a floating or platform deck, is an outdoor wooden or composite platform built directly on or just inches above the ground without requiring deep footings, stairs, or guardrails. Choosing a ground-level deck is one of the smartest design decisions for your outdoor living area because it provides a smooth transition from your indoor space to your garden while eliminating the heavy labor, complex permits, and high costs associated with elevated decks. It gives you a clean, level foundation for outdoor dining sets, fire pits, or lounge furniture, instantly converting underutilized backyard space into a functional, low-maintenance entertainment zone that adds incredible aesthetic and functional value to your home. Think of your ground-level deck as an extension of your home, even if it's not attached. While it's most often considered from the gaze of the yard, a ground-level deck can act as another space for entertaining, conversing, dining, or simply taking in the view. Especially if you entertain a lot, a deck can act as a bonus room of sorts. Whether you're planning to build a new deck structure or you're simply refreshing the space you have, take inspiration from our 15 best ground-level deck design ideas. Before you get started, consider your needs, lifestyle, and what purpose is best suited for you and your household. From there, you can create the outdoor oasis of your dreams with a little help from these ground-level deck ideas. One, ground-level deck kitchen. Built-ins surrounding the porch create a space for cooking and a zone for warming up around the fire pit. This wide-open layout with a seating area in the center allows everyone to be a part of the conversation, no matter if they're at the grill, perched near the fire, or enjoying a cocktail while taking it all in. 2. Deck with mixed materials. Wood decking can extend a cement patio to create a ground-level deck that's surrounded by lush greenery. A minimal approach to seating keeps the focus on nature in this garden oasis. 3. Indoor-outdoor deck space. If you live in a region where indoor-outdoor living is possible, consider how your deck can work for this purpose. Large bifold doors and plenty of deck space create the feel of additional square footage and can set the scene for dreamy celebrations or larger gatherings when the weather is nice. 4. Home extension deck. Whether you're bursting at the seams or simply want the option of bringing your meal, party, or conversation outdoors in a seamless way, a ground-level deck that acts as an extension of the home might be for you. Think about where the deck is located, what indoor room or rooms it connects to, and the purposes for which you'll be using it. From there, you can create an outdoor space that allows for even more options for celebrating the day-to-day. 5. Ground-level deck with fireplace. A warm and cozy spot for catching up has undeniable appeal, especially when the sun begins to set and the temperatures start to dip. This expansive porch still feels intimate thanks to plenty of seating that's anchored by a large outdoor fireplace. 6. Add a side porch. If your backyard is already spoken for and the front yard doesn't allow for much in the way of porches, consider adding a side porch instead. You might find it feels cozier than a more traditional back deck and also lends a more private feel, especially if it's located just off a primary suite or other, less traveled part of the home. 7. Deck dining room. The possibilities are endless for large covered porches. You can opt for furnishings that aren't as weather resistant as those that would be required in areas that are more exposed to the elements. Here antiques mix with rustic furnishings to create a dreamy outdoor dining space that's ready for a long lunch that stretches right into dinner time. 8. Ground level deck for gardening. Who says a deck has to be all about sitting, eating, or sipping? A garden porch or deck, especially one that's just off the kitchen, can provide a bounty of fresh herbs and other delights, from cut flowers to simply serving as a pretty spot for putting your green thumb to use. 9. Small-scale wood deck. Even the smallest front porch or back deck can be a retreat. Simple wooden benches, illuminated steps, and a trio of container gardens flanking the front door create a pretty spot for cooling down after a walk or enjoying a morning cup of coffee. 10. Covered ground level deck. Consider breaking your deck up into sections based on sun exposure. Seating areas designed for conversation might be better suited for the comfort of a little shade, particularly if you live in a warm climate, while a set of lounge chairs separated by a small table allow a spot for basking in the rays. 11. Ground level deck with bench seating. A ground level deck can sometimes have definition issues. Creating a wall around it that works with the home's architecture and materials can create a cohesive space that acts as an extension of the house. Here, the short wall around the deck also acts as bench seating. 12. Deck with boardwalk. When you're the proud owner of a remarkable view, sometimes you have to let nature take the wheel. Here, a porch with a boardwalk leading to the beach delivers charm and elegant simplicity. A pair of lounge chairs and umbrellas separated by a low table keeps the look comfortable and functional. 13. Deck with pool views. A pool deck that's not connected to your backyard pool, but instead simply takes in the view, might be the ideal addition to your outdoor space. It can not only keep those who wish to remain dry out of the splash zone, but also provides delineation between different areas in the yard, a tool that's especially useful when entertaining. 14. Detached patio. A patio that connects to the house is ideal for enjoying a meal al fresco thanks to its location closer to the kitchen, but a porch that's nestled on the far end of the yard can be a welcome respite. Here, a simple seating area is designed for enjoying a view of the garden beyond. 15. Tiered deck. Give your porch a tiered approach for even more options. Here, a small wood deck leads down to a patio for grilling. The stairs get in on the action by providing a tiered garden with pots lining the steps. Creating a gorgeous outdoor retreat does not require massive construction or an extravagant budget. As we have seen today, a well-designed ground-level deck provides the perfect foundation to display your favorite outdoor furniture, add ambient lighting, and surround yourself with rich greenery. Whether you choose warm natural wood tones, sleek modern composite boards, or a wraparound layout around your garden bed, a ground-level deck will completely change how you experience your home's exterior space every day. If you found these ground-level deck ideas helpful and inspiring, please hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly outdoor and backyard design ideas. Leave a comment down below to let us know which deck style was your favorite or what project you are planning next for your yard. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload, and we will see you in the next video.